Hi, welcome to the Crafts channel. My name's Corinne Bradd and I've got some Christmas stars to make for you, but they're not the traditional red, green and gold. I've done these with some really lovely origami papers. There's some Japanese designs, there's also some mandala designs. So they're quite boho almost, and you can make them as over the top as you like, or just dead simple. Very easy way to do it. You simply get yourself a square of patterned paper. Let's start with this one here, because I do like this one here. Fold your square of paper right sides out diagonally in half. Open it out, fold it in half again, and then fold it on the parallel side with the printed side on the inside. Open it out and fold it again at a right angle. So you've got your typical, I think it's a water bomb base, like so. Don't keep it as a water bomb base. What you need to do is you need to fold it diagonally and then fold it in half diagonally, and then just tip back that square fold and crease it well so that you can see the line. And then through all 4 layers of paper you need to cut up that line about 3/5 of the way between the edge and the tip, like so. Open it out, grab yourself a glue stick, and with each side fold to the tip from the top of that cut mark, and just apply a little bit of glue. So from the cut mark, fold down to the tip, and sometimes it helps if you just stroke that fold so that you can get it exactly on the tip. And apply a bit of glue. And then try not to screw your paper up as you're rubbing it down. I'll just do these other 2. So you have your 4-pointed star, as you have here, the flat version. What you want to do is you want to top it with a 3D version. So let's find a contrasting paper. Let's use this one. And again, you fold it in exactly the same way. So printed side out diagonally in both directions. Printed side in along the parallel edges in both directions. Fold it in half diagonally. Fold it in half diagonally. Tip this back so you can see your cut line. And then just cut about 3/5 of the way up. Now what you're going to do, instead of folding this right over from the top of the tip, you're going to fold the edges of this to that central crease line. And we won't glue it yet, we're just going to fold all of these sides in. And the trick to making these stars look as good as they can be is to get those outer points spot on. I have tried making these stars, but it's not as easy to fold. So you've got this, as I say, fatter version of that. What you now need to do is kind of open those creases quite a lot. Don't open them flat, but just open them like so. and then squeeze your star so that the arms point up and the centres point in. And lay it on a flat surface, and that will give you an indication of how much you need to overlap these arms by. If you overlap them completely, what happens is your star points hit the surface before the base of your star does, and it means that it won't really stay flat. I had a bit of an issue with this one. There is a bit of give in there. Ideally what you want though is you want everything to be a bit flat. So these only overlap by a very small amount. So we'll just put a bit of glue on there and overlap them by a small amount. And then if necessary, just pop something up inside the point so you've got something to press against. So we'll do the same with the other bits. That's the last one stuck. So when you lay it down the right way up, it's flat, and the base of this is flat. And the reason you need the base of that flat is because you're going to get some tacky glue. Get some tacky glue and dot along this inner edge of the point. And then if you lay your original star on a gridded cutting mat, and then take your second star and ensure that it is at a 45-degree angle to the first one, and then just press down gently. Don't press down too hard, and that's why you need a tacky glue, because you need it to be able to grab onto that star underneath without you having to put too much pressure on the top, and leave it to dry, so that hopefully when I hold it up it won't fall off. Now you could make a bunch of stars like this, just single-sided stars to put on your wall. To make the double-sided stars, like so, you simply make 2 of each and glue them back to back. You don't have to glue them exactly in line, you can glue them back to back at an angle, so you've then got a 16-pointed star. And this was made from a 15-centimetre square of paper, this size star. I mean, it's quite a nice decorative size. What you can do is you can cut your 15-centimetre piece of paper down to 7.5 centimetres, and it will still make a good sized star, because these two have just been made from 2 pieces of paper that were cut into 4 pieces each. And they're great. Just thread them with a bit of embroidery thread to hang them off the tree. As I say, decorate your walls and your mirrors and your windows with them, and hang them from the ceiling so when people walk through your front door they bash their heads on them. Hope you like that idea. Nice little decorative boho, slightly out of the ordinary Christmas stars. We've got lots more ideas coming up for you over the coming weeks and months probably. Please do subscribe to the channel, because then you'll get a notification every time we upload a video, and we've got lots coming in this Christmas craft along campaign so that you can get set for the festive season. In the meantime, keep safe. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.